Hi, it's me again. In this session, we'll be focusing on two things. First thing is persisting our downloads, especially the models and the dataset, by mounting Google Drive to securely store our work and preventing data losses in case the runtime crashes or gets destroyed. So here we import the drive library from Google Colab and try to mount the drive, mount the content slash G drive mount point, and set the force remount as true in case we execute the same script again. So it's gonna remount the mount point again and force remount the mount point, this mount point we've just defined. So okay, here we see that models we haven't cd'd into the content slash G drive yet. So the models folder was downloaded outside the mount point. So we have to set the current dir to G drive slash content. Let's check first the exact location, or the exact path to the mount point first. Yes, it's my drive. So it's G drive slash my drive. And then we execute we check if the models folder check if the models repository exists. If not, we clone it from the Tensorflow GitHub repository, as we did in the last videos. And this time, this folder, the models folder, will be persisted in our Google Drive mount point. Okay. So let's check. And then here is launch the object detection API. We already did that in the last the last video. So it requires us to restart the machine. And by the way, restarting the machine will not destroy the runtime. So it's not like changing completely the runtime, which will require us to import again the libraries and install the object detection API again, which takes time. So moving on to datasets, we are downloading our dataset from Kaggle. So while first we import the open datasets as ODS, and then execute the imports, and then just type download and specify the path to the database on Kaggle. You can find the link to the dataset, not the database, sorry, the dataset on Kaggle, and just execute this line of code. It's gonna download the zip file, unzip it in the current directory, which is set to G drive/my drive. So it's gonna be persisted, hopefully. So a better approach here is to check if the data set doesn't exist, the bird's OD doesn't exist in the current directory. First, to avoid downloading the same folder again. So if not OS path is their bird's OD, then execute the download. If it does exist, then just ignore the download. I think we have a typo here. It's, I think, ODS instead of OD. Yeah, should work now. It should. Yes, you can find the username going to your profile, then account, and then when you click on the create new token, then it's gonna download your a JSON file, Kaggle to .json, that contains your username and key, and just copy the username here and the key, and it will download the dataset for you.